Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study science to get full marks. First, focus on truly understanding the core principles. Don't just memorize facts, grasp the underlying reasons. Ask yourself why and how things work. Visual aids like diagrams and flowcharts can be incredibly helpful for complex systems. Building this strong foundation is crucial for tackling more advanced subjects effectively and achieving top scores. Next, incorporate active recall into your routine. Regularly quiz yourself on topics without looking at your notes to strengthen memory retrieval. Don't shy away from challenging practice problems. They expose areas needing more attention. When you make a mistake, analyze it carefully to understand where your reasoning went wrong. This iterative process of testing and reviewing is vital for deep learning. To optimize your study time, try breaking it into focused, shorter blocks, perhaps 25 minutes each, followed by a short break. A powerful technique is to explain concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else. This reveals any gaps in your knowledge. Also, consider studying with peers. Discussing topics and working through problems together can offer new perspectives and reinforce learning for everyone involved. Finally, for exam readiness, develop a comprehensive study schedule well in advance. Practice under timed, exam-like conditions to improve your speed and manage pressure effectively. This simulation helps you get comfortable with the format and pacing. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals, perfect for expanding your learning resources. Consistent review and strategic preparation are your keys to achieving full marks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.